Seongsu Valley near Cheongryeonsa, a lonely bird begins to cry. Under feathers white as pear blossoms, a trembling heart sings to the sky. In the quiet of the mountain temple, it built a nest where winds pass by, still remembering someone it loved, too lost to spread its wings and fly. Is it love it cannot leave behind, or a dream that never said goodbye? Little bird of Cheongryeonsa, tell me why your heart still cries, whose memory lives in your song tonight, echoing through the silent sky. If it is love, then go and find them, let your wings be free again. If it is longing, let the wind take it far beyond this lonely pain. Your fragile cry becomes an echo flowing down the valley stream. Even the gentle passing water carries the sorrow of your dream. Whose name are you softly calling while you gaze into the blue? Was it hope for one more moment, just to see the love come through? Is it waiting that holds your heart, or a promise torn apart? Little bird of Cheongryeonsa, do not sing in tears tonight. The sky is wide and full of freedom, waiting for your wings to rise. If it is love, then run toward it. If it's sorrow, let it go. Spring will come beyond the mountains, more than you will ever know. Someday the wind may bring them back along the paths of memory, and on that day your song will change from sorrow into melody. Little bird of Cheongryeonsa, do not cry forevermore. Spread your wings across the valley like you never did before. Love may hurt, but hearts can heal. Even broken dreams can fly under Cheongryeonsa's endless heaven. Lift your wings into the sky. And if the one you miss returns someday, do not cry again. Fly with joy into the open sky.